you me get the breath of bad. When up man no know. Daddy Life.
Yes, I remember that DJ there, Daddy Life. Yes.
Daddy Life and you man pan Little John song.
Romantic song, yeah.
Me used to go a romantic and hear Daddy Life with one lyrics. Daddy Life did him have whole part lyrics, but it's when you touch a one lyrics. You feel somebody on me, come no feel somebody on me, maybe. I'm just saying, so if feel somebody me no bad like breath bad on me. Cause me say, attack, I was far too far. So when we say that, remember Daddy Life though, feel somebody on me. So me never have it from my mind, but after me say that, I that just jump out of my mouth, you know, brother. Right. And just start go on and just run it. And I say, yo, when I done voice the song, Barnabas go song, come out there show and puff him spliff. Riley come back and hear the truth. Riley say, how this? Say, me no answer. Nobody no answer. Well, so we still do this. Soldier, how this soldier say? Me never in a me go. I ask Barnabas. So I'm going to ask Barnabas say, the bad DJ one have a studio, me telling us a bad long time. Him. So him like soldier say. So him say, me set him voice, soldier. Me set him voice. You understand? Because I know for the kind of man they are engineer to, you know. So the man
so he knows how to fix.
The man fix my voice. I make my voice sound. So when we done voice, what do you think happen? I have to go home and put my hand on my ears, so, to my mouth.
Yeah.
And they probably, I try to catch back the voice and I just pull on the tape.
Yeah.
You hear me say? Because me not have that voice.
Yeah. The engineer.
And I say, so I'm going to say, Barnabas, boy, you put me in trouble now, because before I find out that voice, and Barnabas say, it is, man. Because Barnabas a DJ and have big voice and something. You though, relax. I'm going to say. I'm saying, I mean so. Where you are a DJ? Where you DJ from? So I say, up here, son. I say, no, man, come from here, so.
Right, that's so bad.
Go down here, so. I'm saying, I'm a belly. The man say, go down in the belly, play. I'm going to say, where you? He say, no, man. You still have come from up here, so. Go down in the belly. I'm going to say, where? The man said, see there? Enter your DJ from your belly. Don't come off of upper, sir. Where you come off of upper, sir, it's light. You say, don't sir? You come with the whole of the belly sound and push out. I'm going to say,
you're fine.
And I saw me start DJ now. You understand?
So even with the breath, you turned around and had the title track for the rhythm called. That's the name of the rhythm.
Yeah, them name the rhythm off of my car. Yo, when Riley come, I can Riley come and Riley say, are you a tune? I say, Riley say, so it's a mixed stuff. Me I carry this go premiere a stone them now. So I'm going to go from the yard and beard. I tell my friend nothing tough is, I say, shh, don't tell the man them we are going to stone up tonight. Down a wild time on Spanish Town Road. I'm going to go down them, I'm going to my friend, I'm happy. Saskia Bull, Jerry Dan, all over there then. The man my premiere song, Stone over play, and the man say, now, well, when the song, when them a play, Admiral Bailey. And the man play Admiral Bailey. Rory go so. Work. I'm here at the court, say, I'm say, because them think I Bailey, you know. I'm just, work that. I just a tease it in. I'm say, bomba clean. Top it, just see that. I'm say, so. And the man go so. And say, new with them by techniques. That way me I come run the street. And when the man look at the song, me I tell you, say the whole Spanish Town Road have made down the place. 4 times I see the song pull up.
Because that was
So you don't know,
a
say-
unique sounding song, boss.
You know, say, this song release. No, the song play tonight. Me, you know, I want cut off foot pants. I want, not even class, I want imitation class. And walk when nice in our bar. West Stone of Amstead. I'm go in them time, we reach already. Never in there, no. So I'm going on the tune I play. So tough, so I said, tell the man, so you do the song. So I say, yo, Rory, say DJ, you know. The man goes, stand up for me. And just turn back him back and I... So anyway, me I look upon him good, cause that time, I start get ignorant to him, and I say, tough is a cool man. Ride step up stage. I'm saying, ride. Me I tell the man, so me do the song. And I come like him, and Billy Riley said, him no know, you come. I Riley go in and say, see man, you know, I am do this song, you know. And I'm turn around and look at me and say, youth, look at youth, you're bad man.
Yeah.
So right there, so now, him take up the mic and give me. When him give me the mic, he must say, come on the song, come DJ. So I say, no man, I hear something I stay, man. Because me no DJ around sound, me no turn up around sound and DJ. I stand up and wait for the sound and turn to the crowd.
Yeah.
See? That time, whole of Punish Town, whole World Time, Greenwich Farm, Maxi, everybody will know me. When them see me, see? One of my brethren come and say, yo, you get a chat, you go chop on the big sound. So I say, my song I play. I say, your song where? I say, that song, I say, bust it up here. Yo, I go sound, I say, I go sound, tense up myself, you know. Cause I have to catch a fight song, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, so I go sound, I say, what? Mr. Spanish Town Road now good again. I lift people, lift me up and I beat something them I go on with and I tell you,
You
them time
finally
they,
catch it.
them time them a voice song like hold up your hand for stealing them and the whole of them song that for come chop a road them.
Yeah.
And when I go so and lift up that and bust the crowd. But just go so and say, you take on that alone? I know want more lyrics than the people that say, hear this. Hold up your hand, cannot take a... And I say Spanish Town, well done. And I just take out the mic and say, hold the story.
Yeah.
And walk out. And walk out here, hold on. And we pour that, I say, yo, which way, give me, you know, number, I'm saying on the phone number, I live at Maxwell Avenue, right top side, channel 1. Let's come link here. Dog in one. Yo, when Steely here, we're going. When Steely here, we're going. Steely come, one day come with them down channel 1. And when them come down there, somebody has said to him, say, yo, your DJ voice and tune, what damn bro, Steely, but I know. How you never get them the tune there when them voice? The man voice sounds so different. Steely say, oh, P? Him say, yeah. And I tell you, say.
Yeah.
The man come like him and say, no, sir. Chat in a chat. I mean, the baddest set of Johnny P. them. Because that him say all the while.
But he wasn't releasing them yet.
No, because he appeal me. And I say, when he release me, he sort of push me out because Stitchy them and Admiral Bailey and them and a whole of them are run things. So they want to put me out and my tune and get for do work for do.
Yeah.
So him feel like so well, him feel wait tell them, boil down and push me out, but him go wait too long.
Okay.
And I see it, so Riley send me a road. And Riley send me a road with a chance to him and I must steal it right up on the bike. As I'm right up on the bike, I better about me I play. And I'm saying, yes, I do that song. Yeah. I'm say, yeah, I'm do it, man. Say, what? So you give the one tune I come give me, Mr. Steely, and you play the rhythm, but I never did that when I play the rhythm, you know.
Okay.
So that's why him no know say me would advise because him just play the rhythm for Riley and go away. And then me come after him. So him say, so whenever it's me say, see, when you play the rhythm and go away. We just come from country. The man said, Bombard, friend too. And him said, whoa, P, you shot the road before me. I saw me around know, say no. My ear get a lick. Did release and they are firing.
Okay.
And him said to me, son, your first song that come out, the first bad song I sang right up on Young Dog this with him. I say, eh? I'm say, I'm gonna hear it. Him say, because I'm Miami, I send it to release. I'm say, oh. So I say, well, I just say, sure, let me go first. You know, see, because if you listen, my ear get a lick voice, a different voice to Bretta Badami.
So you say that was the original voice, and then Bretta Badami was where you got the big heavy voice now. Got you.
You understand? So, him talk and say, wait. Him say, I put out a bad tune them. Cause competition now, you know, with Riley.
Producer and produce, yes, boss.
So, did it. And still, they were on Riley. Riley said, no, one Sunday now, me down my yard, cause we used to make clothes on, you know.
Okay.
One with the wood and the wire.
Yeah.
So me down my yard, and I make some hanger for sell, dry clean. Me get an hanger so I could cut the wire. Me see Mr. Riley drive down and stuff at my gate and say, I said, Johnny. I said, what? I said, Winston Carter. I said, when we on a channel? I said, no, man, do up a mixing lab. First me I go a mixing lab.
Okay.
So I go in the car and go a mixing lab. I go up a mixing lab. See, come out of the car and I walk going. I say, chill are you? I come out. See? And chill are you, I come out. I remember what I said to him. When I said something to him. And the driver said to me, you know him? I said, I see him already, I don't know him. He said, chill are you, you know? So I said, chill are.
Yeah.
He said, come here, where you go? Come here, do a song.
Just so.
And he said, how are you, man? I said, me, man, Johnny P. But he know the song.
But he doesn't know you as the
Yeah,
artist.
so he said, the man DJ named Johnny P. I said, yeah, man. He said, come, man, me have to do a song, man, because you're too bad, man. And I'm coming back. See, I'll go in the studio. I said to him, say, Riley play the rhythm, Riley play the rhythm. Still, Soldier say, where I put on this song? I'm say, me have it, man. Know yourself. I'm go in the studio. I'm say, Chira, here where I go sing. That song where I go sing, I mean, I read was supposed to do this song.
Okay.
Because after I do the Bretta Badami, it's like Weepo. This side say I'm gonna produce. And I'm gonna produce me. So I'm get some rhythm from Bobby Digital, which was true the one rhythm. So when I'm come at channel one and both the time, me and Red Rose are dead. But the rhythm them never fit the song. Cause Red Rose, I was saying, she was only 16 and Melody DJ, Young and Shiggy, which it was Red Rose idea to me.
Yeah.
It was Red Rose idea. Red Rose said, I was saying she was only 16 and Melody DJ, Young and Shiggy, so I make lyrics about Young and Shiggy. So which me make the lyrics. So when I go there and hear the rhythm, that rhythm when I hear, and that come up in my head. So I say, sing that song, man. And I say, oh yeah, man, I know it, man. And I'm going, I'm say, now I'm 16. You know when Johnny P and Chira you come, I play nice to span the scene. So come blood, she was only 16. Only 7 choo choo.
Yeah.
And right them round there, look and they want to listen because them know say, it's like, the engineer, Soldier, him know say me a magic youth. So him know say something I come with, from me tell the man. And so when the man sing, I'm going to say, badang, badang, badang. Me say she young and she green, young and she green, young and she green. See, I'm a sweet 16. Young and she green, young and she green. And so I say, man, at the men, I'm a sweet 16. Yes, so I say, so come, catch a drama when me was 13. Me look at this girl at the age of 16, tell her me want to be your king. And she told me me queen tape stamp instant. One sir. Really say, so all this time, you sit down in my studio, sit down in my session. Big thing on your head. Man. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. I'm say right at the time for them, you know. Just a time boss.
Time and rhythm and space.
And the rhythm too. And them say, boy, this is another hit. What me say? I'm say, no, yes, man. I'm say, come start again. Cause when them start back, me vex, I say, yo, you stop the tune from the start back. But me know say my vibes, you can't cut my vibes and kill my vibes. So. You more get ignorant to the thing. And when we go back in them and go back when we go back until I start and I catch the young and shaggy, where they say, why? You're bad.
For real, for real.
You're bad. This song is nice, our nice. The man say our nice radio song. They said, you see, when we do Bretta Bada, we have to do Mota Bada, you know. Because Bretta Bada, I couldn't play it on the radio, you know.
Okay, so it was kind of a funny song where they couldn't play it on the radio. Yeah.
Because you that weight there, it's talk too talk or it's far too far. He couldn't play on the radio, not fit for airplay, but they got number one. So Riley come and tell me, say, I have to do a follow-up feed. I'm say, right, but him say, I can't use the intro, I have to find a different intro. So I say, come man, I'm going to the studio and I'm going to say, oh, you can talk, sir. From morning you wake up, you don't stop talk. You come like a radio, can't shut up. Come down. You must have bother me. You say, must have bother me. You must have bother me. And right, they say, good. Good. You're good, pan combinate. Well, you're good, boy. And I released that so it could appear on the radio. For more Bretta Bada me and put that song at number one. So we get 2 number one there,
so this is 88 that these songs started.
Yes,
to flow.
1988.
Because with that same song there, you have an album for Techniques that came out 88 and the album was called Young and Green.
Right, that was the time when we do. All right, it's when we do the Young and Green. But still the camera Jammys. Okay. And camera got Jammys, which is not the first time I got Jammys. We got Jammys with Admiral Tibet. Admiral Tibet was some fights, Bobby Digital. And that day them we got Jammys. I think without the flow and the flow just a little bit. So when we hear the rhythm, Bobby Digital know my name. And him say, so bad DJ, you can't put a tune on when I'm with him. I'm going to say, yeah, man. And him give me the rhythm. You know, see it. I'm going to do a tune. Some girl begin a body and the body no LT. Begin a body and the body no LT. And, you know, so we didn't do that. I'm going to go back to Jammys. I'm that. Because me and Tibet, the father go around there. So when Steely came back at Jammys now, it's like, everybody look for me and say, look at you tell. Look at my boy, them tune there. So, Jammys, come out time after Jammys, see me Jammys pass, but Jammys don't know who me is. So still the camera on there, we buy dub plate for silver heart.
Yeah.
And we're going there and say, vice up the dub them and I vice up the dub them. Instantly. Genos, the engineer, said to him, say, if you come here, man, you will get full feet, you know. Because the song them I run dance, how much man come and ask for who name Johnny P. I'm saying, yeah, might be coming when you get enough dub plate for the man. I'm say, okay. So anyway, Steely said to Jam, say, King, I'm an artist, you know. And Jam said, who that? I said, Johnny P, man. I said, Johnny P, never hear about him. Say, what? And the man around the road. I have the big bad song on Techniques there, you know, Bretta Bada me. I'm say, oh, yeah, man, here, man. But it never really impressed him.
Yeah.
To grab me and say advice.
Certain advice.
So, still came home back. After that now, I start go jammings by my own. I start go jammings now. Whole part of my voice, whole part of. With the one song now, voice was dub plate. But my voice in dub plate with the one song. You have a song named Turbo Charge come from down a watch it. And Turbo Charge come voice me. You know, see it. They must say, no more song. I say, I have more song, I want one. And so one song for playing night dance for some start. Give them all of the song them I have in my head, the girl song them and them thing there. So, don't I watch it. Me have watch it locked down now. So come now, body girl come find me. And voice better bother me them time there. I have a brother named Popsy. I voice body girl, the man come. The man don't come at all, no time man don't find me, you know. Every time the man they come, they say, yo, more the latest we have. But them time there's so much tune them with advice, we don't put them out per record it, you know.
Yeah. So you just doing that as double plate.
Yeah. And Riley say, I'm going to do an album. I'm going to make an album. Because Riley say, tune will come out with me. Otherwise, because pick out, put out a tune in there. Oh, Mr. D. We are doing that long strong here for your teeth. It's what kind of meat you eat. Man, you know fit eat. Man, you know fit eat. Man, you know fit take him out, put on the sheet. Man, you know fit eat. Man, you know fit eat. Man, you know fit take him out, put on the sheet. And you see, so
You catch.
after that, pick out. My voice have a pick out there. Pick out say, well, no, like, we can take one tune for you. Give me a next tune, no? I'm saying, him go for the rhythm with Tinga and Ninja Man.
The cover mirror.
Cover me. And I see it, and when I'm going for that, but see this, I'm say, well, I asked Ninja Man what he wants. And I see it, him say, him want reality. When I ask the colonel what he needs, him say, this much done and more culture. But you what I need. And I see, and start. Love and unity, love and unity, love and unity in the community, love and unity. Yeah, so, but the start a song in front of us. If you only know the niceness that life it brings, you would have never fuss and fight. If you only know the sweetness that life it gives, yes, you would have stopped the fuss and fight. So you may tell no, me want love and unity, love and unity, love and unity in the community, love and unity. And, you know, so people say, boy, you bad man, what? Give me an next tune. I say, no, two is enough. And the man said, but this a DJ, mostly. I pay, you know. I say, yeah, well, two songs is enough, brother. Yeah. I'm not voice out for that one. So him say, no, you have voice out. Me yes, I still have voice out for you. I see every tune them for studio. I'm laugh. I'm say to him, say, pick out. You know. I would tell you that. Him say, me hear everything, man. Me say, I don't know where you live, you know. Yeah, it's up to you, say you live. And me say, when Steely comes, Steely, just have you in there. I'm say, yeah, because Steely. I say, see, I'm a boss, still, you know. And him say, yeah. I'm say, yeah, man, still I'm a boss, man. Because them man, the first, apart from Riley, them man, the first start make me whole money. When my voice is Steely, you understand? Every time my voice is Steely count up money. Sometimes they have to about $1,500, enough money, brother. Sometimes I have $2,000, enough money. Because when Steely done voice, Steely goes and say, oh, this. And I go say, boom, and wrap it up and go. Pack up the stacks in my house and get one exercise book and write down the date of my voice song, the name of the song, the producer. And that we do with all of my song then. So one day I go to work and I stay and I say, boom, beat. I saw what song my voice was Steely. And I said, no man, enough song for cut down Steely because Steely can't put out an album and more. Which my voice, I'm want a song for Riley. So when I check it out, I Steely my voice, the most song for
Steely?
Yes. I'm saying, no, I'm going to cut off Steely down. But me can't cut him off because you know, me and him have a vibes a match. Especially when I play the rhythm, I see him have a style and him put him tongue in him jaw corner, so. Yeah, I him and lift up that shoulder, yeah.
You know, it kept that one, yeah.
That can. And me I watch Steely from Steely playing a Roots Valley bands till him start doing him own thing. So when him start doing him own thing, but the new stream before him start doing him own thing, you understand? But me never used to Clevie. I Clevie, he make me know Clevie, so it's like, but we used to Steely. So anything, if Steely said to me, say jump, me go jump.
Yeah.
Anything that Steely tell me, I that me I do. If Steely say, "More you kill a boy," then I go kill him. You understand?
Yeah.
Because me have Steely like my father.
So then if you
know,
when
see-
Steely's working and he's getting you, why would you want to cut off Steely then, boss?
Well, what's it? Me no want to cut him off. So,
You want to link with Riley.
cause Riley show me something where Steely them a show me. Steely them show me vibes. But Riley's a man like this, so teach me something. Riley say, come here. Come down at my place. And him show me, him say, this is royalty. This is what the song sell,
Yeah.
and this is what you're supposed to get, and this is what me supposed to get. And him tell me how much me I get per copy. So him teach me that. Me never know that.
He showed you the business.
Business. And him tell me, so when you record for your man, make sure when you collect money, sign that piece of paper, yeah. And when you sign the paper, it must only have an advance, royalty, deduct advance. So, me didn't know that. You understand? So I just that alone, we're supposed to pay back a producer. That's what Winston Riley tell me.
Got you.
So Winston Riley never tell me nothing where he's wrong. So when me ready now and I buy this album for Riley, and a Sunday me did the studio. And yeah, boom, 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 boom. Cause still them play back the things on time and put something in it now. Them put in that drum. See? And put in the crap in it. So me hear the crap. When the rhythm start, me hear the crap. I say, me enter the soldier say, pass that man, and they on that already. I say, no. So him say, the boy they on this already. I say, give me what that rhythm. I say, right, man, I want that rhythm, man. Oh yes, man. And I say, boy, you dip on it already. I say, right, just love me, I want this for my album. I like that rhythm, man. And we're still putting something in it different. Because when my voice said super cat dip on it, you know, cry for the youth, you know.
At that time, they're ready.
Yeah. Them time my voice said, you know, before, you know. See, I do ragamuffin pan, you know. So, when we tell him that, him say, all right, give him Steel. Him say, give him Soji. When we hear him. But you know, me the advice, the song of my voice from it, Redman.
Okay, so you're kind of going to one and two producers outside of Steely.
Right.
And
Because
Turkey.
all my voice is Redman. Because a soldier used to monitor Redman business. So soldier called me and said, I have a rhythm where Redman I put out, which is a bad rhythm. And then things say, me will find the style feed. So I say, eh? And when them called me, it was tight close rhythm. So when me hear the rhythm, I'm going to tell you something I write tune.
Yes.
When I write tune, so when I hear the rhythm, see? I'm here the ding 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 ding. So I said to Steelers, I said to Soldier, I go buy some bad tune for Redman, you know. I'm wanting to put 45. I said, no, I don't go on 45. I'm going to release an all-star album I put out. And I said, we can't write that tune. And Soldier said, I'm here. I'm going to say, we're going, I'm going to say, I'm start and say, oh, look at them. And when we start, the soldier say, well, hold on there, we have a voice. A girl tune, I'm say, so it's a right tune, you have a voice. And I see it. So all the girls them with the knock on bang way and I'm also ring ding 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 ring ding 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 follow me now ring ding 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 ring ding 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 some girl out wear tight clothes just say look sexy wear tight clothes just say look man wear tight clothes just say look sexy wear tight clothes just say look ready I'm tell them man
Yeah.
cause this is the it's a style where Stitchy come with, you know. And me they like the style. So when me take the style, me advance on the style.
But
You
even
understand?
the beginning part there, ring ding 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 ding.
Yeah.
That was still the same fast type of style that you
Right.
but you kind of curved it a bit so it could fit right here.
You understand? So when my voice a tune and see so they say, what? Me never not say about it. Man, I was telling what me never not say about. Say about them tune in a long time. What more you have? I'm saying me not voice somewhere man at this me say at this my voice red man. Steely my voice and the man say, is it all about Steely? I'm say, yeah man, nah voice. I say, yo, I told one me make a promise to myself and I'll stick to Steely and Riley. Because you know why? Nobody never see me. And them man they see me. You understand? So I not burn the bridges. I stay right there so. And I'm say, alright. Because I need to have a next video when we go on upon I'm say, alright. And the rhythm when I talk, our rhythm was, I think Sanchez to the pan.
Because he was producing enough song them time.
And
Red man.
I just cut. But back to the story with Riley. When Riley draw the blur that things and time rhythm. The device, the same tune for Redman. You understand? But when my voice is for Redman, my voice is different. You know see it? My voice is for all the girls them. Well, we're tied to it. Well, it's all girlfriend when I wear no old broke. No old broke. No old broke. No old broke. No old broke.
Also, it was voice, but it was had a different flow to it.
Different flow because it vibes from a rhythm with tippally and rapper them. Depend.
Na badawi.
To no badawi. You understand? Not so blue. Then not so some go fan. Cause that rhythm there, soldier the one my voice pan. You know see it? I'm just put old broke pan because without old broke I'm gonna say no old broke. So when Riley John that rhythm I made that rhythm, I said no sir. Cause me don't know when me ever put pan it, you know. But at the rhythm, tell me what to go pan it. Cause when the rhythm start, me only thing I could have start the rhythm with is Chima ba ba ba. Me not tell you no lie, you must start. All of the girls when I fight people bro. Hold up your one and jump pop. Yeah. So the phrase like I still so they do say, but him voice a song for red man, but a different way the man come a voice a song.
Swing it out.
Cause me not play with my song then. Me will voice a song and go back and voice it different way. You understand? So when we done voice a song, Riley look for me and say, all me have voice are 45. But so make say so. The man said, boy, me one I tune we have on the album bad. Boy, I come like a 45, so boy, I'm not lie. I want bad album here, give me some say. Alright, you let's like what you say so. They go cool down for some of the song them. Cause I'm sorry, me not write song and anything the rhythm tell me no boss. I hate me I got no. And them say, for real, I say me not write no song. You notice me never come in here with a bucket.
Yeah.
Me just come in here and just tell soldier play rhythm and me just listen rhythm and like the rhythm just thump in the mid and say this more I put pan this. And me just go in and go do it. I just say, boy, you're dangerous. Hey. Yeah, when I write song, brother, may I tell you, even even now, me can't, me no remember DJ off of paper. Me can't DJ off of no paper. Me will write the song and have the paper in front of me. But if I have the paper, so I memorize the song, but put on the paper aside.
Yeah.
Because you know what? There is certain things when I go put to the song when I write on the paper. I me watch a paper, me now will get to put in them style when because even this I just DJ me and DJ and just come up with that.
Listen, you see that laugh type of thing
You
in
know
that
see?
boss?
Because all me make is Admiral Bailey me here with. I'm just you understand? So it's everything. It's different. You understand? Because Bailey was a DJ where me like and I patronize no find when I say, yeah. That's why I always say Bailey is my father in the business because Bailey is a man where me like him voice. You understand?
Yeah.
To me, him have one of the sweetest voice as DJ. You understand? So, me stay there so in another era there. Yeah, man. And go on. So, then we done buy this album for ride. Still get jealous.
And this is where front line comes into play now, boss.
Yeah, because all right, Frontline start by me, Red Dragon and Progan, and that is this album. When Frontline start, I you go Frontline. If you want to hear Johnny P, Red Dragon, Flower Gun, Daddy Lizard, Sanchez. Remember, that segment there, when it start with Red Dragon first, fresh.
Yeah.
Then Flower Gun, then Daddy Lizard, then you hear Sanchez, then you hear me, then you hear Singing Melody, you hear Killer You. And that's how the thing start.
Front line.
You understand? So when some man talk more time and I say 90s, 80s, 90s. 80s, 90s, me come with a different style. You understand? But change the whole era. Cause if you remember one at a time, every DJ were a DJ, them a DJ in the same pattern and the same key when me DJ in, I know.
Okay.
You understand? So, me change everything. You understand? Me change it. Just like how Stitchy come, Papa San come with the fast start, but Stitchy come with melody
In the fast
in
start.
the fast start.
Got you.
You understand? So, it was a different thing. When me come with melody and come with swing. You understand?
Enough of your song, them how you'd always start them, you'd almost start them like singing,
Right.
and then you go into the DJ.
Exactly. You understand? Because all me do that, Little John is a brother where I admire. Little John, me didn't have John as a sing chief from a long time. I have him as a DJ where sing. Me never call him
As a
sing
sing
chief.
chief, got
Me just
you.
say, boy, the DJ them can't sing good. A DJ me call Little John. Cause Little John, to me, him curve everything different. You understand? So when me I do my tune, that's how me things say me for do. Start it with that, you know, see. Cause even Love and Unity, when me I go do Love and Unity, me not even have the idea say as some me go start it. But when me hear the rhythm give me that vibe say, if you only know the niceness that life it bring. Cause the rhythm a change with me. You would have never fuss and fight. And if you only know the sweetness that life it bring, you would have stand there for some. So you may tell no me what. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's like, and I want to tell you say, I'm from in the dance, we get that style, you know.
Okay.
That was something dancehall. Because when me a DJ in a dance, that's how me DJ. So nobody don't really know when me I go come with. But them know when we start with and then when we switch that now, people start beat down the fence. And we, brother boy, your brother, where him come from? Yeah, you understand? So, you know, I'm not sure something. You see, in the dancehall, me run the dancehall, see? But at the same time, me and Shabba come at the same time, you know.
Yeah,
Because
the
Shabba,
80s.
Shabba was a street man. Me was a street man. Ninja was a street man. You see, when Billboard come at Jamaica, no for the DJ them go to sleep. But we don't sleep. You call we battle torch DJ. Anyway, the dance there,
I have to find it.
we have to find it. Cause we not take bus. We walk. Our virgin ride a bicycle, we drive. You understand? Enough time me and Shabba them, me and Shabba buck up. I must say Shabba. Cause we can't stay one place, you know. You see it? Ninja man. Sheriff HQ when I Waltham. And that's how they all the while. With Stone Love. You understand? So when me start out, Shabba start out, see? With love put on the band, and him come with them song. But me advise Bobby Digital and Shabba advise Bobby Digital. So most of the rhythm will me depend, Shabba depend them. But because me was a DJ where I go on out the road, you understand? When my voice to Bobby Digital push out my tune. And at the same time, him push a Shabba tune. So Shabba control the girl them with the put on the thing. And them everybody has said, Johnny play on Shabba, Johnny play on Shabba. You understand? But when Shabba didn't leave and go foreign, when Shabba leave and go foreign, that's where me now get the run in a dancer because Shabba was the man where to compete with my song them cause Red Dragon and Flower Gun them done gone already. So me never have the body to compete with me. You understand? So that's why I'm gonna run the dance out. So Shabba come back when Shabba come back now. Shabba take up the whip and start going hard. So when me up on tour and that California for a while. When me come back to New York, I hear a song named I'm in love with a man who is twice my age. Can remember every rhythm, you know. That's because I say every rhythm Johnny P depend it. But Johnny P never catch a rhythm there, you know.
You didn't catch that one, man.
No, me never catch a rhythm there. Because if me the day when Shabba voice a rhythm there, all of the man who voice it for, me and them were too good. But I'm a producer, I'm a rate, I'm a respect. You understand? But come a voice and him too.
Okay.
So, him did have Shabba pan the rhythm. When I come, and me hear the rhythm when we reach a New York, I say, boom, boom. So I said to my manager, I say, yo, you have never too long ago to Jamaica and I'm saying, I say, no, yeah, Shabba must show the place. And Shabba around the place. And I said, oh, you talk about John, you have a song them. I say, yeah, but that one a fresh, brother. I need to go down and get to, so I never come down on time. I never reach a Jamaica band. When we reach a Jamaica, I go so boom and go a Gemini club and see Grandma Wayne riding on a bike with this girl, his name, Grandma Wayne riding. See? I see the girl on the bike back. And Grandma Wayne. Yeah. And I tease at the bike. See? So I sit down and I eat my fish, and I say so. I'm not looking at him and I say, oh yeah. So when we look, I pay a bike to see in Jamaica. So I say, bike take over a place. See? Plus I say Tiger with him bike and we. So I 150 me used to ride, you know. And a bigger bike, I come see. So I say, oh wait. I go on 150 and I run things again. I cover Saki. So I say, well, I don't want no more bike cause my mother never like me with the bike thing cause it make me drop off it, mash up the last drop, me drop off it and drop on that bus. And God was so good. The bus never move, I stop it, they stop. So I get up, push the bike, right? Somebody else say, I go so I can't go stay. But it come to me intention that me have to do a bike song. Not even for say, me I go do it pan this rhythm or that rhythm. I go to Jammys. Jammys say, you know, so I come back with the put on the car, I make the rhythm, the put on the rhythm, him change it up, you know. And him say to me, say, I come back with the put on the rhythm, but you know the pan it. And I say, no. And him say, yeah, you have to dip on it, man. And I say, yeah. So them time then, we just come back from foreign. So I go in the studio, and I say Genius. And Genius was the engineer. I say, yo, King supervisor put on the rhythm. And him say, yeah man, they are wait for you man. Dip on the tape, dip on the machine. Okay. And him play it. I say, hold on there. I go to some, I go out and start drink my drink my Guinness. I'm start drink my Guinness and sit down so. And me and tough so then I said, tough. Who pan this rhythm now? And tough say, just vibes man, vibes. And I said to him say, yeah man, come have to catch back Shabba, you know. Yeah. And him laugh and him say, brother, don't talk them brother man. What are we brother, you know? Yeah. So I say, yeah man, what are we brother, what Shabba catch a little lead, you know. Nah, lie. Yeah. This is the one with him there. Me not catch him toughest. So I have to catch him back. So I have to go hard, because I have to try and move the song in love. I'm going to say so. And tough say, all right. Just vibes it, man. I'm there. Full drum, I take out a split. And I get up. I start look back. It's like when I take the split, I imagine Jar White and Glamour Wayne on the bike. Jar White upon the back. Yeah. And the way she said with the shorts and things, I say so. Toughest. And once I move. I'm going to say, I said, Genius, play the rhythm there. You know, see it. Not even the intro, not proper. I tell them, but through every mistake, them say it's a beef steak, and it's a good steak. When we go in and start it, you know, see it. I just some could have started the tune. When we start the tune, I say, all the girl, very, and when we started the intro, I know something I plan out.
Just that's what the rhythm
you know, say, because the rhythm I tell me what to say. I'm going to say, hey, and start. You know, see it. It is a beautiful sight, I man love to watch, to see the young girl them pon the bike back. It is a beautiful sight, I man love to watch, what? The young girl them pon the bike back. Girl picking the pon the bike back. What's the girl them pon the bike back? Girl picking the pon the bike back. Hey, all of the girl them pon the bike back. When them a ride, man a white. Cause I see me a watch, I see me a see in a my vision. All of the girl them pon the bike back. When them a ride, man, you understand? When them a ride, I'm stay and I say, boom, but so when I done do the song, they have a writer, you know, named Baya. And Baya said to me, say, P, I know you know write song, you know, because that man write song and give me to do it, you know. But enough of them not it when write. Yeah. So I don't really work with writing. So him said to me, say, him can write the song, Wickeder. So I say, write it and let me say. But I'm not trouble I wanna. If you write it and it sound good, I come write it back. So I'm going to go in the studio part now. Genius, I play the song. I'm the man. The man said, where you get that style? Cause I just, when him started the rhythm, I just him just stop and him started and now tease. Him say, blood cleat, I want wicked in check in the tune now. I'm say, Genius, and I say, me never have it said I ain't say I'm gonna use. Me just put it as a space, a guide to the rhythm. The man say, you can't change this, man.
Yeah.
The man say, you can't change this P. Where you gonna change it to? You know hear what you say? I say anything I said. The man say, Bombard, me I tell you this. This a song. Me I watch this from Wadi. And me I look and me say, oh, then a DJ, you know, sister, a biker run the place. I'm say, him say, yeah. Me I say, oh, them a DJ, no sister, a biker run the place. Come, me sit down and I watch it, you know. I'm an engineer, and I say that. I'm say, they don't know, sound of me alone can't find a genius. Me a street man. In front of me, a Shabba.
Cause you're in the streets.
Because me and Shabba a street man. So it take a street DJ to find something like this. You know, take a DJ where only sit down in the yard and make lyrics. It take a DJ where out in the street and see things like anything me DJ, how we me see in the street. You understand? And the man say, you're right. For real. Boy, this gone. Boom. We go on a Jammys. Couple days after. I'm say Jammys. I'm say, King, what on? King said, what? You know, easy, you know? Yeah. I'm saying, you know, so I come for voice over. I say, voice over what? Voice what? I say, I can't voice it wicked that King. The man say, go down a Dynamics and go tell them to give some copy of the song. You see, I go and touch on a Dynamics. But up on the road for the whole day, I touch Dynamics in the evening. When I drive in, I only hear, boy, Johnny P are the wickedest. I'm say, what you talking about? Man say, yo, you have a song. Don't you? Boy, I not think no song I say like that. And I'm say, which man say, bike back. I say, bike what?
Yeah.
Man say, bike back. So I go, so boom, and pull the door and go in. When I go in, I see the man, I'm stay, so the family, I come in and say, I say, bike back. I'm say, cool, no? Man, I'm say, the hottest thing on the press, right? And I say, what?
Would you say that's your biggest dancehall song?
Yeah.
Bike back. For sure.
That's a brand. Right here. And if I ask anybody about Johnny P, that's the song them take.
Bike back.
To identify. For I say, you know Johnny P, yeah, them who bike back. I don't know, my biggest song.
No, I know we have a big international song.
Look good.
That's the one, and you have the same album, that one there. But you see, Bike Back now, when it comes to like the hardcore core, that's what I know. Yes, I just came off a Jam Rock ship. Listen, I heard that song about 10 times over the couple of nights. Really.
Yeah, man.
Bike Back is one of those monster songs.
And I feel proud over that song, you know, because what I sit down and study and look on all through the years until now, I see it as the people in 5 songs in dance. It is not only for 90s people. It is for the generation, on top of generation, all of them. I go hook to that song because my voice it such a unique way that it can fit to all generation.
It's one of those songs that will forever, as long as music plays, that song in particular is going to play, boss.
Because no dancing song, no, that I'm not because I made it, but saying this, you understand? I'm not say it to bash no artists with them dance song, but this song as a dance song, you understand? It stand out. Because every dance song will come, rain for a period of time, and then it is not there no more. But Bike Back is there everywhere you go. When them not playing a dance song, them are gonna play that song.
Pipe back.
You understand? And then the rhythm where it depend. And the body, to me, is the baddest dancehall rhythm that Jammys ever make.
Punani rhythm, boss.
You understand? The rhythm when
Remember, that's where you got your, not even your boss, big song. Admiral Bailey got his big song. Shabba got his big song. None of you guys got your big monster song that played to this day.
Yeah.
After the
Punani have a whole variety song. I think Punani have the most, Punani and Slim Thing are the most hits out there.
Jen, I remember after they remix it and put it back out, remix and put different thing in it, and it still keeps going and going.
You understand? So, you know, Johnny P is just Johnny P.
Yeah.
And what I like is the respect what people show me out there. You understand? Because these are you just humble. These are you the most thing and I'm my thing that. You understand? The hype thing and I'm my thing that.
But remember, when people used to see you with the big chain them and the big chopper, that's how you know Johnny P. You know,
Right.
You know what I mean? That's how we know Johnny P.
Because Johnny P come set that thing in the business where people always talk about. And that's it. Cause remember, you know, walking jewelry store them cards. That's a big bracelet. You know, see it. So we do it all. I don't have to worry. Nothing what I go on right now in a dancehall, it doesn't bother me. Because I have song where we can fit in with any one of these artists who I go on. If I walk on the stage, I know which song to draw, I know what to say to get the people in the mood. Understand? Because first thing, Johnny P is not that easy way. When they see him on stage, you see him up on stage, stand up and look and you're like, people, no. Johnny P greet you with a smile. I love to smile, I love to laugh.
Yeah.
And that's how I greet my fans. When I come out, if I come out, I hear him say, Johnny P, I see me come out and number one, you see my shirt? I don't like button shirt neither.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But I come my shirt, I fly. So fly me come for fly. When you see
I call you Mr. Excitement. You see what you see Johnny P on a show, boss? Pure excitement.
if you see me on a show, you're not seeing the excitement, something wrong with him.
You not
Something
say
wrong with
Johnny
me.
P. You not say Johnny P.
You're not see Johnny P.
Bike Back is a real dancehall song.
Yeah.
But you have a real international song that even some of the people in dancehall wouldn't really know that how big this song is, you know. This song we've seen it on BET, we've seen this song all like enough for the Latin market. They take onto this song, a song called Lockwood, and it has enough remix.
Yeah.
How do you come up and where did you come up
the
with?
R&B, it have the house, it have the club, it's a whole part remix. All right. Talking about look good. How I get to do the remix of Look Good is like, as I say, I was in California for a while one other time. So when I was in Cali, me and Michigan, you know, and things. So we find out say this song Look Good was a song where most of the American them down there know that song.
Yeah.
Because people talk about it. So when we leave Cali and come back up to New York side, we went to Washington. And I have a friend by the name of Dennis Pass Hangan, God bless him soul. Him have a label named Central. So we decided that we're going to do some work together. Because it's a band where I know him for a while. And I always want to come in the producing thing. Because his brother named Van is a big producer. And then I always want to come into producing. So he said, P, you know, someone want to do some work with you. I'm saying, yeah. So anyway, me and him did and we left one day, we're going to get some herb, smoke and come back. And we were there. them come and send box some guy named KO Boys who play R&B rhythm. So I say, yeah. So I say, yeah man, the man them excited about you, you know. And them some for bring over them studio. So I say, yeah. So when we go over the studio, we go meet them. The one named Khalid. He must say, Johnny, please put something on my tape.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, no, man, no advice, no, man. I say, please, man, just anything, just do something. I'm gonna say, all right. So, I'm say, even the bike box. I'm gonna say, no. I'm not.
Nice already.
I'm not touching that. That's the problem. Because, you know, I know King Jammys, or I'm taking thing them, so. Certain tune I'm gonna do, when I do them thing. Furthermore, the producer of my voice look good for. It was Steely and Clevie. But they was focusing on some other stuff, which when me see how the song Bigger Cali, I figure more or less if this song they get promote as Johnny P product as all the rest of them get promoted, it would be a big song too. So this song big to me, but it not big on the dancehall scene. Some say, you know, say I touch about that song. Because I know say from once I go crossover,
Yeah.
I have to come with something where can make a brand. You understand? So all the rest of the song them, I never see them as a song for crossover to make me a brand. But look good, because look good is a name we can sell. Because when you have the song, you have to think about it. Someone say, all right, hear this. Find your man out on your mother, girl, you look good. Jump and suck out, girl, you look good. Hand in the air because you look good. Scream out, girl, because you look good. You look good, that kill them, you look good, that man them. You look good, that kill them, you look good, that man them. So you're not challenging nobody, girl. You know, so it's like, when we do that now, and leave them there, we go home, they make the rhythm round it and them send come from here. So I'm saying, no, something I like on it, you know.
You didn't like it?
No, because it never ready. And them say, what you don't like? I say, first of all, listen to the speed that I'm going with. On the plane, but on the not playing to match my voice. On the plane with speed, but the speed on the plane because on the know how to make R&B rhythm. But you can't play me like that because me DJ with a melody and me DJ with a key. So you have to find a key in the R&B rhythm and to make it perfect. You know, see it and them go back and do them research and them come back and them come. Now I go to Jamaica and I come back, then they say, listen this. And when they say, we say, yeah man, I eat this one.
You say, no, you find it.
We say, them just find it.
Yeah.
And them say, yeah man. Them find it, Dennis, and they read him this. So, anyway, we do the song, when we finish the song now. Dennis are the producer for the song. KO play the rhythm. But then, we have to put out the tune on our own.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't find nobody where we want to give. To take the song. Because Dennis depend on that. Dennis find a distributor named Liaison. And the Liaison, the song. So when I'm get Liaison the song, I'm time that Dennis working and drive and shock a car. So I'm get Liaison the song. And then my dad the house, cause we used to live by him house. We used to stay by him in Washington, in Maryland.
Okay.
So I'm come and say, why play that tune I get to breathe my stars? So I say, what do you mean? Him say, Liaison tell me say, we make Liaison the song. They don't love the song, but they must say, why? They don't know if it all. So I say, what? No. He said the man must say, boy, the song and move like, whoa. And I have to pay them for press it and when they come on with me I work and things, I'm say, I'm like, I start laugh. I say, yeah. So I say, Dennis, give the man a tune and tell him for distribute the tune, man.
Yeah.
Him said, them don't want to do that. They want, I'm say, wow. So I say, all right. What we are going to do? Him say, oh, pay them and things, so. Anyway, the same KO boys, they have a radio station in Washington, named PGC, which is one of the top stations for them kind of music. Them. It's them take this, the children carry it, but you have a brother named Dabby something under that. And them man, they not play any in the song. So when the song busts on the radio station, it's like the youth, they will play the rhythm excited. And I say, yo, Johnny, we got the hit. The man that play the song tell them. So them start excited about the song and them a run up and down and boat and carry the song. At the time I just sit down song, I don't know what I go, and I not even know say the song I do mileage. Until me and the man them say the song take off in New York. So I say, what? David Levy and play it and I say, what? So I say, what I say? So I come and go home back to Jamaica, my dad Jamaica and we had Dennis Calm one day I say. P, I when I come up, we say about 2 weeks, man say I'll come back now. So I say, what? Him saying I know say, I'll be a record company I call me for this song. I'm saying, I'm saying, what I say Dennis? Dennis say, yeah man, we're gone through the gate right now, you know. The song the number one in a Billboard club chart, you know. So I say Billboard club chart. I say number one. Him say, yeah, the song is number one for 1 week now. But me I watch it before I tell her. So I say, all right, I come. Woman, reach back. And we reach back, them start show me paper. I say, that company I call me. Him say, Warner Brothers. And him name out some more company until them say, that company are interested. So I say, we never hear about them, that company. Them say, yeah, because them only did have a rapper artist named Easy. And Easy was my artist too.
Yeah.
So I say, Easy? I'm saying, but I'm dead. I'm say, yeah. I'm say, okay. So I say, so what them what kind of tune them distribute? Him say, country and western and some others. So I say, then Dennis, so how them gonna market my song? And I see them say, well, probably a your song. I go get them out there now. Cause them see where the song can push them out too. So now I go just do for we, I go do for them. So I say, so we want my brother, I say, cause I them interested in that.
Got a big company, boss.
And them said to me, say, yeah, but P, you can't wait pan. So me tell them, I say, Dennis, I can wait pan them people, because them people they're big in the car. Remember I say Shabba sign with Sony, epic sign, Shabba there, you know. So I can just sign them to them people. Then them said to me, say, a big company, but me never know say it was a Sony.
Like a subsidiary.
Yeah, you understand? So when I say, well, I say everything and the same thing I want to do, brother. Him say, well, I have to make her comfortable too. So I say, well, I tell you what me want and you tell me what you want. So if you feel comfortable, you do it, because probably me I make the wrong decision and you feel like I was sit down and wait too long. Then the man takes something and lick me now, the man say, P, let me tell you something. Shabba there epic. Super Cat there one, brother. And Tiger. Them people done there in the business already. That company in it, so I could deal with them. So I said, well, why then? Everything good. And then, me never really up to it.
Yeah.
So I go outside and I drink the drink and I burn the spliff and then come out and say, me not like that hard the way. So I say, no man, I'm not vex man. I just make that man. You don't know. You understand? I love to make people do what they want to do to please themselves. Because I know every time me I go right.
Sometimes you have to let them figure it out.
Him say, all right, fine, you give me that thought, that me, you agree with them. I say, I'm say, go on the other one. This with you. But listen, me now go sign to the company. You are going to sign to the company. Sign Centron to the company, and me are going to sign to Centron. That means, me talk to you, and them talk to you. And them say, well, if I that, we work then. So, me and them never have a contract. I just verbal agreement. So, it happened as him draft up the contract. We get the contract, go through the contract, Centron contract, and something in the contract I'm not like. I'm saying, no, this the publishing part. I'm not share my publishing. And I'm saying, please, let's think about this. May I do this and you so make work the thing that's it benefit you and benefit me. So I said, well, publishing, brother, publishing, I see or something.
I know the business at this time, you know.
So I say, I never do that yet, and I'm afraid with them thing there. Anyway, we come down to the agreement, I say, all right. Him say, the company want that to happen. So I do it for help him. So I say, all right, I signed. And we go to New York. I meet with Relativity. And them sign me in a seat, and that's it. I was dead to do the video and thing. But when I tell her like signing with Relativity opened my eyes towards music which I never know about.
Okay.
Because I want to know about dancehall and reggae music. But I don't know about the market there over there, so. The market there over there, so, it's a wider market.
Global.
You understand? Because when we start to tour just to promote the song, I go places that I never been before. I never been to before. I go to California, not the Cali where me know. I go to Boston, not the Boston where me know. I go to Jersey, not the Jersey where me know. It's a different, I never know so them part of Jersey they exist. I go way down in a Virginia, not the Virginia where me know. Because I know Virginia Beach right there, so what past that and go further. I say, wait, what this? I go some places where I never been. Some club and some things where I have to face. You understand? Which one, when I face some of them things there, I disagree. You understand? Because I say, Dennis, I know, you understand, because this is not me, brother. You understand? I'm glad, I'm love what happened for me, but that part there, that is not me.
Yeah.
So I go up that road there. Because I like the journey where them that put up on, but it a got out of purpose, I got a context now where when we go San Francisco, it's like it was a different part of the world. Yeah. I go San Francisco, and I go San Francisco, I go in a short pants. And I go in a club. And when I go in a club, Nicodemus was alive, and Nicodemus come at the club. And No, before me go to the club, Nicodemus to me and say, yo, you provoke. So I said, Demus, tap on that and talk chat for. Him say, no, people, I tell him, man, I will carry them. I say, I want brother from Jews and named Pretty Dread. I said, hey, that boy, they pretty, and them thing them don't talk. So anyway, me in a club, I see the man bend down and I see a man come and stand up and go so and put up him foot and go so and I say, and so I say, pretty.
Yeah.
You're a Rasta man, how about that? You know, Johnny P, don't bother with that man. I promote him, man, don't bother with that man, you go far. And I say, yeah, but you hear me? Me will go far. But me nah go a mile, brother. I go the road there. It's not ready for me. Because I want thing. My people is always my people. One man have to understand. From once you are a Jamaican, a real Jamaican. You are Jamaican, we say them are Jamaican. But the culture, they don't keep. Be born, as I tell you, in a roast town, go in a 7th Street and Kingston 13. Me never go uptown. So me is a down-to-earth youth. You understand? And me want to reach somewhere, but me not go sell my soul for reach nowhere. You understand? Because you have to remember, say, when everything boiled down and done, you're going back to your own people. And me don't want my people them to turn back from me. That's why I say, me as a youth, up to today, my name will ever stand. Because first thing, me go do all interview. Bojo come with him song. Remember say, me is not Bojo, you know. The same thing when I see them tie up Shabba. Them try that with me several times.
They tried it.
Yeah, them tried. Because me go, you say you go interview me. What the interview is all about? Johnny, we want to interview about the look good and the remix and whatever. When we go there, the first topics. Oh, Mr. P, good evening, good day, this. I'm gonna ask you one thing. And them ask me. So I tell them and say, well, me the man, you know. Me not listen where you want to do, you know. You understand? Me know what me I do. You understand? So how do you say about the artists that do boom bye bye? Mister, listen to me, and get this to me straight. Me is Johnny P, right? Him say yeah. Mister, when me sing say, I don't really mean that. I don't really. Mister, then what do you mean? Yeah. Talk to me about look good. I can answer you anything about look good. Don't tell me about another man's product. I'm not here for that. You understand? Because me can't speak for a man. I speak for myself. You get me? Oh, I'm sorry. If I'm saying, okay, go ahead. So it was okay with me and them working because them before them sign me, them ask me all them thing there, you know. Understand if Ray. I'ma tell them straight, so I'ma say, listen me. Me is who me is. You is who you is. You understand? So I'm not gonna tell you if you drink beer, when I drink water. So if you want to drink your beer, it's fine with me. I have no problem.
Yeah.
I'm not God. God said leave all judgment unto him. So I don't have a problem. But as I'm telling you, just keep your beer to yourself and me keep my water. That's it.
And everybody all right.
And everybody okay. But in sense of music have no boundary. Okay? If you want to drink beer and you ask me to come here, come perform, I will come and perform. You understand? But the thing about it, I'm not going to drink your beer. I'm not going to mingle with you and your beer. We just come do my work and gone. So when we go to San Francisco and up on the stage, what really happened, me get pissed off and me stop the music and me said, yo, don't do that. Then them have some bouncer man, big thick man, me say him come. And the promoter five and say, what John? Me say me know, me not busy what kind of crowd one there in the brother. But nobody come one like you want come. Grounds me. Don't do that. Him say, no, please call man, call. Say, come on. And cut the performance. Gone now. I'm say, P, just work no man. So I say, all right. Here what? I go work. I'm not going nowhere near out at the end of the stage. I stay up here so. And right now, I'm not going to perform as how me should be performing. Since I saw you on the show. Okay? I say, no man, I will say, P man, just give the people them some vibes, man. I say, yeah, man, I'll give them vibes, but nah, I understand. We are wicked and joke. The man them carry me around club. I'm going to go to the club. Cause I never know say house music have a certain people until when I signed with the record company. When we go at the club, it was R&B, or if it was none of them kind of music, it was house beat. So when the door open for me to go in, remember, you know, we're going with a journalist when I'm traveling, you know. I'm traveling with a woman journalist. I heard the guy say, you're with it, you're, I'm not looking at the woman, I'm look on the man was stand up where, in the crew. I asked me if me is with the man. So I said, no. Me is with she and the rest of crew. The man X out the girl. And I was said to me, say, no problem. Everyone can go inside. When I go in, I'm going to see the crowd. When I see the crowd, you know, they exit the crowd. So I exit the crowd and go back in my limousine and sit down. So my producer come and say, P, what the problem? I say, yo, how you do? What you do to me, brother? I want to. I say, well, you go in there. Go sign an autograph. I not sign an autograph and no man, back or man, belly or no man upon that, brother. See? And I say, well, P, you don't tell the people already. I say, I tell the people, what I tell them say, keep your beer to yourself and don't bring it over here when we drink water. So don't tell me nothing. But I went back in there. And that was it. So for me to do that, it's like, you know, I say the ship start rock. So we do the video. When we do the video good. The second video what I gonna do, cause we do remix about this song and hold up your hand.
Okay.
Right. So we remix that. So what am I gonna do? The remix to that song. I see them come. I see some guys. So I see the guys them. I say, anyone out there this? Then they say, no, the video. So I said, Dennis. Again?
Yeah.
So I say, all right, yo, them girl, I pick my girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And them more right on my foot or so. Me the business room. Understand? Company thing, I go do it. You sign? As I tell you, say, me sign to you. Them can't tell me if you do when me no want, you know. But true, me sign to you, I go do this. Make the girl them stay here, so. And when look, I see a man come with a bad suit. And I tell me, say, they're creating an image for me. So I say, no. You can't create an image for me. My image is me wearing linen suit, Me wearing a bag of gold chain. Me wearing Clarks. Me wearing, you understand, Louis, everything. Me no wear them something there, brother. Me not gonna put on no shorts. Me say, you never seen me on stage in a short set. So, not gonna tell me about shorts. None of that. Dennis will get vexed. And so, I say, all right, Dennis, that's it. So, it was an experience with the record company and experience with Central Record. See, because Central was a good friend. So, that's how we get to sign with them. And working along relativity, we never have no problem with the company. You understand, more than the places that them send me, and them send a guy with me where I see me drink some green kind of liquor. And he was my bodyguard. So when we went to Boston, I see him taking this shots. So him come round the back of the stage to me and say, "Oh, Johnny, I want you to feel nice." I said, "In what way?" Him say, come have a shot with me." So I say, "Shot or what?" I say, "A shot, I know I go and shot now. What you talking about?" Him say, "No, man, I'm not talking about the gun. I'm talking about liquor. We're going to drink." So I say, "What's that you're drinking?" He must say, "Don't worry about it. Just take it." So I say, "All right, boss, listen. Go and ask that man there where signed with the company, I'm signed with, ask him about me. First thing, I smoke, but you can't make my spliff. Secondly, I drink, but you can't serve my drink. So, me no want nothing where you drink." And I see the man crazy. I see my cousin all come check me, and the man just stretch out the man so I say, "You can't pass here." And the man, when the man drink the liquor, the man ready. Now I meet with the company, man, and I go there. And I tell the vice president, I say, "Yo, I don't need the bodyguard that send me, Mike. Listen, I don't tolerate him, his behavior." I say, what will you have a problem with? I say, "Yes, I have a serious problem. Listen, it's not everywhere I go I drink. This man, he been drinking. I don't know how he's gonna see who is coming to harm me when he is shotting up himself and telling me to take shots from his shots. I don't do those things. I don't do drugs." Okay? I'm not saying that his drugs is taking, but I don't do drugs that you can offer me whatever you think it is good for you. No. Me not do them thing there. Because I come from a Christian home. Me not do that. Everything when me do out the road in life, me do it. That's my mother can be proud of me. Me no want my mother see me and say, "I'm a son this." No. Me not do them something there. Yeah. And I see it. So it's just one of the things them, but me never really get done by the company. You understand? But me just work.
Just make a move. They didn't re-sign or whatever.
No, I never resign because it's like we have an agreement to a certain time and I do the promotion tour and do all the tours with them, and then after that, I tell you what, we're supposed to do another video and then I meet in an accident. When we meet in an accident, I got this.
Okay.
I break my bone right here. And it was Dennis Allen driving the car. And he make a sudden stop. And when he make a stop, right in the intersection in Bronx, I saw a car floating down off of the, that was a hill. And I turned, so I said, "Dennis, the car come move." And the man, and I move. And the car just come right in my door, boom. And I notice my head just go down like this, and I come up back. I pure blood, I see around from my face. I end up at hospital, them see my bone. And then it's to me like the company was selling Johnny P. look good. Them have look good glass, Them have look good shirt.
Yeah.
Them have look good. Everything in a look good. Cause it's a product.
Yeah, man.
So even the flyers, my friend come to me at Bronx and see me and say, P, you know some go 10 records store if you get on a flyer, the man say, I have to pay $10 for it. Some say, what? Someone say, well, I don't get no money from that.
Yeah.
One say, oh, someone contact them, some say, yo, my publisher know what I give a brother. The man never charge people for my things. So what happened? You know, see it, so. It was one of them things they were. It's glad for me to learn and know the experience. So, in the business, but tell a man, I never come in the business to get and tell me say, so I come for DJ, for Grammy. I come DJ for gold, platinum. I just love music and I do whatever I'm supposed to do. And what I earn from the business, that's what God ordained for me. So I don't miss nothing, I don't lose nothing, and I don't regret nothing.
Yeah.
I feel comfortable with what I have.
So you know what you came into the business to come get, and
Right.
that's what you came and got.
I'm come into the business with love, love for the music. So I do music. You understand? And right now, where some youths, when I'm coming out of the business, tell themselves when I'm coming there for. In our time, if we did think like no, you understand? Probably would have the word too. You understand? But I don't want that.
I know you that.
I don't need that. But thank God for what I have.
Listen, Johnny,
And that's it.
your journey and your story is nothing short of amazing. I know that right now we only touch this much in the journey of Johnny P.
Yeah, man.
This much. It's just through sake of time.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
just said, okay, Bob, a little bit of time, so guess what? I want to invite you back for a part 2. Whenever you said, Bob, we could do a part 2, I would love to do a part 2 because I know there's still so much more in your journey that you've done and you've been through and you've seen. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Hit
Yeah.
songs, you were a hit maker, boss. Hit after hit after hit after hit. So you're putting out, at one point, you're putting out 2 albums a year.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
So it's
man.
just one of those things. But again, I think this is a good part where we could call this body here part 1 of the Johnny P experience.
All right, sir.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Are you on social media or anything or anywhere they could check
Yeah,
out?
man. I'm up on Facebook. You understand? Alvin Morgan original Johnny P. So you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, you know? Just look for Alvin Morgan original Johnny P.
And they'll find you.
Yeah, never find me.
Yeah, man.
And if anybody want to get contact with me, them can call 954-860-4143. You understand? It's either them going to get me or them going to get my wife. My wife's name is Michelle Markin. Otherwise known as the Great Missy Boo.
Yeah.
I big up my son them. You understand? And my daughter. And my mother, sister, brother, niece and them, and all of my grandparents them. You know, because I love my family, you know. You know, see it. And all of my friends them out there. Big up on yourself. Peace, love. Whole of Jamaica. I see what up there, you know. You know, see it. But I just know say God is doing work. And I hope this will happen. All of us, all of my brothers and sisters in Jamaica, and just take it as a lesson and let us deal and live in love and unity. Stop the fuss and the fight and the hatred and the killing. Who want to get rich and who want to get this and want to get big car and big house. Remember, see, Melissa come show now. The big car, the big house, it not gone away. You understand? But what? Life is the greatest. And don't remember, at all time, God are the greatest. Because without God, you don't have nothing. He give everything, all the big house and the big car where you have, are God. You understand? Satan not going to nothing. Satan just causing no pain and misery. See it? So take it from me, Johnny P, because I'm born in the heart of ghetto. 7th Street, me I come from. I don't hear about man that tell him say, him come from where? 7th Street, Trenchtown. So if you not do the Trenchtown rock, you don't know the culture. So don't lose in the culture. Me I beg enough. Let this what happen, let us come back together like this. Okay? And don't adapt no other culture out there, because I notice Jamaica is like America now, where everybody from all this come to Jamaica. But don't forget this. We are Jamaican. We are a brand. Okay? So that's why people will always find us and always come to us. So don't make them come and change and try to say, do this. No. Just to earn money, because watch that, it not go work. Don't make God have to come back to Jamaica again and visit it, because him not like where we are going with and love and live. Because I'm telling you, Jamaica is a place where God live. God yard, God walk the street of Jamaica. God can turn him back in Jamaica. I'm not for fret. But when I say now, no, I don't like what I'm going. So I beg you now. No make this happen again. See, category 5. No. Who never live to see Gilbert? I can't tell them about Gilbert. I'm a youth when Gilbert come. And when Gilbert come, that is the time when I get my break in the music. You understand? And it's never nice. So now, look and see what happened. I don't like it. You understand? So I have to learn from the mistake. I mean, like the people in Jamaica. You understand? Even the government of Jamaica. You understand? Try to get the people in a one love and harmony and unity. Peace.
It's up here.
Yeah, man. Peace.
Listen, you don't know how much this means to me still, you know, boss. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yo.
A long time. Yo, this you a long time, you know. A long time. Cause I remember say, Mr. Canadian man.
Listen to me.
I know you from the days of the record shop.
Listen to me.
So.
Yeah,
man.
You know.
Yeah,
listen
man.
to me. This is, as I said, a part 1, and I'm inviting you back whenever you have time, sir.
Yeah.
It's time.
Yeah.
Do the second part.
All
There's
right,
still enough more to go.
Yeah, man.
So let me give you an outro and get you on to this part 1, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Bob, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. Just for now.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.